Guys, and thanks for dropping by Tennis Clubhouse. The aim, I suppose, of Tennis Clubhouse is to bring you all things tennis. So we'll bring you the serious stuff, you know, like the coaching videos, working on your ground strokes, your volley, your serve, like this.
Actually trying to focus on dragging my bottom of a racket, and then the second one I'm going to do more natural, more relaxed way. So you'll see the difference. It's going to be in the slow-mo in the second.
Then we bring you the good stuff, the fun stuff, like ladies going crazy. And then, of course, we'll keep you up to date on the latest tournaments, the latest events. Nadal winning his 11th French Open title. Go Nadal.
Unforgettable, no, it was an emotional final, tough one.
Because see, when you don't feel worthy of your goal, you will begin to unconsciously engage in self-destructive behavior.
And then don't forget Federer hitting the ball around the net, just like this. Remember that? Yeah. Well, look, good, fun, serious stuff, as long as good coaching videos. That's the whole aim of it. So please subscribe to Tennis Clubhouse. You'll get the latest videos direct to your inbox. And then also leave me a comment below to tell me the type of videos you'd like to see. We can work on that for you. All right. Thanks again. See you later at Tennis Clubhouse.